gising na yung boss ko, kaya kailangan gising na din ako. Kunin natin yung sunscreen here. Asan na ba yun? Mabilis ang skincare tayo ngayon kasi umiiyak na siya. Ang kalat na ng vanity ko. Pero dito muna tayo kay Haru Haru kasi sobrang ganda nito, guys. Kahit ito lang minsan. Then skip na yung either serum ko. Okay na. Mabilisan lang.
Sleep tight, my little one, dream of stars above. I'll always
Buti
be
lang,
here,
araw na
sharing
today.
with my love. Close your eyes, my dear, and feel peace all around.
Okay na tayo doon. No serum for today. And of course, sobrang love ko to, guys. So lightweight niya. And because meron pa din naman akong mga blemishes right there. Kaya mas gusto ko talaga gumagamit ng tinted sunscreen. It helps with my dark spots as well. This tinted sunscreen has SPF 50 na.
Give you gentle kisses and a tight embrace. In your tiny arms, I find my safe place. When night falls and the moon starts to rise, I'm here for you, my love.